Hey y'all, it's Amber from Heartfully Stitched. Today we will be learning how to crochet the herringbone half double crochet stitch. The herringbone half double crochet is a fun variation of the traditional half double crochet stitch. This reversible stitch looks identical on either side. It's surprisingly stretchy while still maintaining a fabric that's opaque with gorgeous texture and fabulous drape. So grab your hook and yarn and let's crochet. You can click the link in the description to download the free herringbone half double crochet mug rug pattern, along with a step-by-step written and photo tutorial for this stitch. For this tutorial, you can use any hook size or yarn weight, but I will be using a 4.5mm hook and DK weight yarn. The herringbone half double crochet does not require a specific stitch multiple. I will begin with a starting chain of 13. To begin, we will yarn over and insert our hook into the second chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull through. We will pull through the first loop only. We should have 2 loops on our hook. Yarn over and pull through both loops on our hook. Again, we will yarn over and insert our hook into the next chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. Again, we will yarn over and insert your hook into the next chain. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull through the first loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. We will continue to work the herringbone half double crochet into each chain across. To continue the herringbone half double crochet stitch, you will chain 1 and turn. Yarn over and insert your hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull through the first loop, yarn over, and pull through both loops. Continue working the herringbone half double crochet in each stitch across. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial for the herringbone half double crochet. You can find this stitch in my upcoming crochet pattern, the Magnolia Sweater. To stay up to date on the pattern's release, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram at Heartfully Stitched.